Alright fellas, if you just saw that episode, you see where some things that just need to happen, and one of them is instead of gravity feeding, I want to see if that pump works, and I don't want to run it too much with that, pump it dry like that. It needs to have some it needs to have a little bit of goozle put through there so that it kind of lubricates it, that kind of thing. What I want to do is not pull anything from the gas tank. I want to hook up on the other side of the mechanical pump and see if I can pump anything out of that can up to the carburetor. And if I can do that, then I can go and then I can clean out the main tank, pressurize it, and see if it's got any leaks or anything like that. That one fortunately does have a little it's a little valve that you can undo so that it empties the tank. I don't think there's anything in the tank, honestly. That could be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't know, because it could cause it to rust more. But anyway, secondly, I need to get it running and idling. I checked the temperature on each one of the exhaust manifolds, outlets, and they're all over the place. Like one of them's 200, one's 119, another one's 180 something, and then one's 118, and so on and so on. So I've got some that are not quite firing well enough, as you can hear when you heard it fire off. So I need to get it running, and I need to put some Miracle Oil in the carburetor and in the cylinders again, because I don't want to bend a valve or anything like that. But the good news is that it's running. And then secondly, I want to check the alternator. And the way you do that is just simply pull off the positive off the battery while it's running, and it still runs and good to go. I'm only one person. I have no friends. Okay, so these are pieces of metal that came in, I think, from when JCPenney was here, and they were throwing them out, and my father-in-law got them. And they happen to be the exact same size as the cross struts that I need for my bed. They're the same height, same everything. So what I'm going to do is, what I've done is I had so many of them, I was able to cut them and put them into place. Also, new railings on the side was also from JCPenney, but it looks like this is going to be extremely strong. And I don't know if you've noticed it yet or not, but look at that awesome clamp that I've got holding up my glass pack. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so anyway, I just wanted to keep you guys abreast of that, and I love you guys. Please stay in contact. I appreciate the people that have called, and you're dear friends of mine. I know I always kid about not having any friends, but I've got some of the best. So, love you guys. Y'all be sweet. I will see you next time.